This Century 21 Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Lux. 2-story, 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath condo. Open floor plan with living/dining room combo that leads out through sliding doors to a private screen patio. Half bathroom is located just off the kitchen area. Bedrooms and full bath are located upstairs. Appliances are included. Communal amenities, clubhouse, community pool, grilling station, and plenty of guest parking spaces. Located near shopping, parks, Stetson University, and Downtown Deland. Dues include water, sewer, trash pickup, interior and exterior pest control. Schedule a showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kimberly.